Hi, my name is Ashley Risch, and this is my lab number 4 assignment to show my remote access. So, the first thing I did is I went to the site xshells.com to create my shell account. After that, I went, and because I knew it would take a little bit too long, I've already pre-done everything, so I'm just going to walk through all of my steps. So, the next thing I did was I went and I logged into my shell account by typing SSH, then arish@shell.xshells.com, and then it asked me to write my password, which first time I didn't do so great on, but the second time I correctly typed in my password and I got the welcome from the Shells account. And then the first thing I did was I ran my top administration. This basically just shows how much usage my computer seems to be doing. So it says percent CPUs, and then there's also information about memory and other things. And I think this would be useful just to see how efficiently your computer is running. When I was done, I hit Command or Control and then C, and it stopped my top command so that it wasn't just running continuously. After I did that, I opened a new window and I logged back in to my shell account the same way, and I started showing some of the directories I made. So I'd already made flashes and Medina Bees. I went and created another directory called I Love Math. After that, you can see I have my 3 directories. I changed my directories to Medina Bees, and you can see the switch from just having the tilde and then the cash sign to being the tilde / Medina Bees and then the cash sign. I then chose to create a file. I then went into the file by doing nano, and I typed in go bees, and when I typed in cat file, it spits out go bees. I then created another file, typed in another message for the second file to say, and then displayed the second message, and I just wrote Medina, Ohio, home of the battling bees. Doing ls and then -f lists your files, and right here I have file 1 and file 2. I then deleted my file 2, but I didn't type it right, so I tried it again, but it turns out delete wasn't the right command, and rather it was rm for remove file 2. And after I removed file 2, I listed them to make sure, and we can see that only file 1 is there now, so I successfully deleted it. After that, I changed my directories, and then I went to list, and we can see I had earlier created bash login, and just to see that I had typed into bash login, I did cat and then bash login, so we can see that inside that file, if we would go in, this is what is there. After that, to make sure that my bash login worked, I exited and logged out of my shell, and then immediately logged back in. After putting in my password and scrolling down, we can see that it says, "Hello world, welcome home," when I log in every single time. The next thing I need to show is my SSH traffic in Wireshark. So I actually ran SSH, or the Wireshark, before I started doing my terminal. We can see here it is. I tried to stop it pretty quickly after I had opened up my terminal and started using my shell account, and if we search SSH, we can see it, all the activity before I stopped it, and we can see when I began, the time, and then what happened, and we can see that it is all encrypted. So that way we know that my connection was secure. Thank you for watching. I hope you've found it interesting, and I hope I showed you everything you wanted to see. Until next time, bye.